Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make egg shakshuka. For this, we are going to use olive oil. This is a dish made with eggs, so we are going to use 4 eggs. This is ginger, garlic and green chili paste. We are going to use 1 cup of tomato puree. I have made this using 1 big size tomato. This is 1 big finely chopped onion. I am going to use 1 red bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper, medium size chopped. So friends, let's get started. We'll heat our pan. We are making this with 4 eggs only, so I am using a small size pan. If you are using more than 4 eggs, please use a big size skillet pan. Let's pour in our olive oil. Once it is heated, I will add in 1 cup of finely chopped onions. We will cook this onions till it is light brown or pink in color. So now we are going to add in our ginger, garlic and chili paste. I am adding in 2 teaspoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste to the onions. We are going to fry this mixture for about 2 minutes till the onions are nicely pink and done. So friends, as you can see, the onions are done. Now we'll add in our bell peppers. If you don't get yellow or red capsicum, you can also carry on with the green capsicum, the normal one. This is a dish usually made in tomato puree, so you can add green capsicum to it also. Now we'll add in some spices. We are adding salt to taste. We'll add some freshly ground pepper. I am adding in 1 to 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder. One teaspoon of red chili powder. And a hint of garam masala. This is optional. You can avoid adding garam masala. Just to give it an Indian touch, I have added the garam masala to the mixture. You can completely skip this step. So we'll give a good mix and let the bell peppers turn mushy. So now, after giving it a good mix, we are going to add our tomato puree. So we'll add the tomato puree to the mixture and cook it till the bell peppers are nice and mushy. I am also going to add some tomato ketchup to this mixture. So I am here using hot and sweet tomato ketchup to make it more spicy. You can use the normal regular ketchup also. Giving it a quick mix, and then we'll let the bell peppers cook properly into the mixture. So friends, we are not adding in any water to this mixture. Now you can see the bell peppers are soft and mushy. So now we'll add in the eggs. So in the pan, we'll make small wells and crack in the eggs one by one. So I've made one well and I am going to crack one egg inside this well. One by one we'll crack in all four of the eggs inside the bell pepper mixture. Now I am making another well. Similarly, we'll add the second egg into the well. So now you can see that we have added all four eggs in the same manner. And now we'll cook this shakshuka with the lid on for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I like this shakshuka to be runny, and so the eggs are done within 2 to 3 minutes. If you want the eggs to be entirely cooked, please keep it for additional 2 minutes or till the yolks are done. So friends, our shakshuka is ready. We'll garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander, and this is ready to be relished with some brown breads. This turns to be an amazing breakfast, super healthy, and it's very tasty. So please do try this recipe and let me know how you're loving it. Thank you, friends.